YouTube, how's it going? It's me, Devontae again. And today we're going to just be talking about cryptocurrency mixed in with a little bit of Future Ad Pro. So just jump into Future Ad Pro real quickly. Let me actually refresh this page just to get it accurate. Just make sure we're on the same page. Cool. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to switch up my advertising. As you can see, I put this one is for the lead lightning ad. I put this on pause so I can make way for the lease ad space. And of course, the lease ad space pays out in Bitcoin and it is a traffic source. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to buy some views for this here ad. Alright. I have about $5.40 to spend, so I'm probably going to only spend about this is the part I love about Future Ad Pro. You know, you can either use whatever. You can pay with your advertising account or with your online account. So I think I'm going to pay with my advertising account. Let's see, views. I'm going to just do like 500. Yeah, I'm going to do 500. Actually, I'm going to just do 1,000. Nope, I'm going to just do 600. 600 views. I'm going to buy that. Yes, let's refresh. I use my advertising account. Perfect, cool. Yeah, I use my advertising account so it won't interfere with me buying my ad packs. Let's go back to manage advertising. All right, now I have 600 clicks, and we're gonna assign all these clicks to this here ad. 600. All right, make sure it's 0, and then we're gonna just hit assign views. All right, cool. So that should have worked. Let's refresh this page just to make sure everything is copacetic. And yes. All right. So right now I'm getting traffic, I'm getting views, I'm getting clicks to my lease ad space referral link. So of course, it's free to make an account. I think it is free to make an account at least ad space, but ultimately we want them to buy a traffic package so we can receive our instant Bitcoin commission. So yes, I am kind of switching from lead lightning to lease ad space to the forefront because they pay out in Bitcoin, and I am all about cryptocurrency. And actually, let's check up on Futuro coin. Futuro coin is at $10.91. $10.91 in USD. And yeah, I'm still out here using lead lightning. Of course, if you're just getting into the online marketing thing, this is a great platform to start off with because it's no monthly fees. This is our last year being broke plan, so I'm always trying to do things on a budget, do things that's in my financials lane. If you know what I'm saying, just do things in my financial lane. So yeah, and of course, if you're starting out in Future Ad Pro, I recommend just going for the $50 ad packs. That's what I recommend. But like I said previously, do whatever it is you should do that will fit your financial lane. So if you can only afford to do $10 ad packs, then by all means go right ahead. But I recommend just doing the $50 ad packs because you start earning a lot faster. So I'm gonna go to business, and I'm gonna just show you guys how much I've earned. I earned $54 in commissions through my entire time using this platform and buying ad packs, buying traffic. And you can pay out. They do pay out in Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Dash, those platforms, but you have to make an account. It is in cooperation with CoinDeal, and CoinDeal is not is not approving U.S. citizens. So if you're anywhere else but the United States, you'll be able to pay out, cash out in Bitcoin and with CoinDeal. But if you are not using CoinDeal, then you will have to use Bitcoin, this right here, and the fees are a lot higher. All right, so with that being said, it's best to use the regular Bitcoin payment that is not in cooperation with CoinDeal. Let me close these blinds a little bit to look at too much light. But yes, just use that payment, the regular Bitcoin, and yeah, you'll be able to withdraw X amount of dollars every day if you happen to be putting money into your ad packs. And I recommend doing the $50 ad packs over the $10 ad packs. But whatever you're financially, wherever you're at, just start where you're at. So and I'm a perfect example because I'm starting with the $10 ad packs, but I recommend doing 50. All right. So yeah, Fatero coin is at $10.91. You can go to futurenet.com, and of course, FutureNet is the social media platform of Future Ad Pro. So treat FutureNet like you would Facebook, because this is a free platform to promote your business. Just keep in mind that everybody in FutureNet is in a business. So just remember that people are already in the business. So it's not like Facebook where when you're promoting to people that's not in the business. These people here are in the business and are currently pushing their business heavy. So yes, indeed. And what you can do, you can go to back office, and the back office will basically give you guys the power matrix of the three platforms, which is FutureNet, Future Ad Pro, and Fatero Network. And of course, Fatero Network is the mining program for Fatero Coin. But for right now, we're just going to be focusing on FutureNet and Future Ad Pro. As you can see, here it is. Here basically what it is: the social media platform in FutureNet and the online advertising in Future Ad Pro. And speaking of which, I'm gonna still be buying the $10 ad packs. Until I get to about 100, I'm gonna just keep reinvesting what's in my online account to purchase more ad packs, and in return I can still use bits and pieces of my money from my advertising account to pay for more traffic like I just did. So thanks for watching. My name is Devontae. See you in the inside.